Hello friends, I think you all are very happy. So, how are you today? Yes, I'm fine. Okay, today we are going to learn about the modal verbs. Okay, first, you want to watch these types of video, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, what are the modal verbs? Yes, first, you know the verbs. Now, what are the verbs? Yes, you know dancing. These are verbs. Dancing, jumping, and reading. Dancing, jumping, reading, and what else? Yes, writing. There are many verbs in our English. Okay, what are the modal verbs? Yes, now we are going to learn what are the modal verbs. Okay, these modal verbs we can categorize into 3 parts. Okay, what are the 3 parts? Yes, possibility. First one is possibility. Okay, first one possibility and second one ability. Ability and what is the third one? Yes, third one is necessity. Okay, this possibility, ability, necessity, these are the 3 parts. Okay, this possibility category we can use only 2 words. Only 2 words. Okay, what are the 2 words? Yes, may and might. We can only use may and might in this possibility category. Okay, what are the verbs we can use ability category? Yes, we can use can and could. We can use only, can and could. And what are we can use necessity category? Yes, we can use should, and must. Should and must only. Okay, what are the words we can use possibility category? Yes, may and might. And what are the words we can use ability category? Can and could. And what are the verbs we can use necessity category? Yes, should and might. Okay, now we are going to learn about how we can make the sentences in these 3 categories. Okay, how we can make the sentences in possibility category? Yes, this is first one. First one is possibility, we can use may and might only. Okay, how we can make the question? Sentences. Okay, we can write like this. She has called. She has called. What is the meaning of these sentences? Yes, අයට උන තියෙනවා. And we can say like this. She may come to the class. Okay. She has called. She may come to the class. Okay. She has called. Okay. Think this. Okay. I have called. Okay. I have called. And I may go to the school. Okay. What is this? May. We can use may in these types of sentences. She has called. She may come to the class. We can say like this. He has called. He may come to the school. Okay. Okay. Now I think you can get knowledge about these sentences. Okay. Now we are going to write another sentences of this category. Okay. We write this first one and second one. come to the class. He may come to the class. We can write like this. He may come to the class. She has got, she may come to the class. This may. Okay, important word is may and another word is might. How we can make the sentences using might? Yes, we like this. Okay, he might come to the class. Come to the class. Okay, we can say he has called, he might come to the class. She has called, she might come to the class. Okay. I think now you can get knowledge about how we can make the sentences in possibility category. Okay, we can make the sentences in possibility category very politely. Now we are going to learn how we can make the sentences in this category very politely. Okay, how we can make the captions? Yes. In day-to-day life, we talk with others. We ask, what is your name? What is your school? What is your grade? Okay. But we can ask questions very politely using these possibility category words may and might. How we? Yes. See. May I know your name, please? See, this is very polite now. May I know your name, please? See, what is your name? Okay, I will write this. What is your name? What is your name? And may I know your name, please? Okay, what is a polite sentence? Yes, this may I know your name, please is polite. What is your name? It is not polite, no? This is very polite sentence. Okay, this is very polite. Okay, and may I come in? May I drink some water? This is very polite. Okay. I think now you can get knowledge about how we can make the sentences using this possibility and how we can make the questions using this possibility category. Okay, these types of category we can make the questions very politely. Okay, now we are going to learn the second category of these modal verbs. Okay, now we are going to learn how we can make the sentences and questions in this category. What is the category? Yes, ability. We can use scanner code only. Okay, how we can make the sentences? Yes, I can say like this. You know this how we can make the sentences and questions using can and could. I think now you can make the questions. Okay, now we are going to learn how we can make the questions and sentences very politely. Okay, how? Yes. Okay, I will write, I can sing songs. I can sing songs. Okay, I can sing songs. These sentences. See, the important word is can. We learn can and could now. This important word is can. I can sing songs. Okay, but I can't sing songs very beautifully. Okay, but I can sing songs. And we can write like this. He could pass the exam. He could pass the exam. Okay. What is important? Yes, cool. I can sing songs. He could pass the exam. Okay. Now you can get knowledge how we can make the sentences using this category. Okay. Okay. And we can use this category make the questions. Okay. How? Yes. We can write like this. Can I know your name, please? Okay. In day-to-day life, we talk with others. We say, what's your name? What is your grade? What is your school? What is your village? Okay. We can make the captions using this canon code very polite too. Okay. These sentences is very polite, no? Very polite. But the important word is can. We can make the captions very politely using can and could. Okay. We write another sentence. Can I drink some water? Okay, these are very polite, but the important word is can. You want to get your mind can and could. We can use make the captions very politely, and we can use sentences too. Okay. Okay, now I think you can get knowledge about this second category ability. We can use can and could only. We can write the sentences. I can sing songs. He could pass the exam. And we can make the captions very politely. Can I know your name, please? Can I drink some water? Okay, many sentences. Okay, now we are going to learn the third category of these modal verbs. Okay, now we are going to learn the third category of these modal verbs. Okay, this is third category. What is? Yes, necessity, we can use should and must only. Okay. Okay, how we can write the sentences using this should and must? Yes, we can write like this. You should obey your parents. You should obey your parents. Okay. What's the important word? Yes, I think now you can say what is the important word. Yes, should. We learn about the necessity should and must now. Okay, we can write like this. You must speak in. You must speak in English. You must speak in English. What is the important word? Yes. Now you can say important word is what? Yes, must. Okay. How we can make the questions using this should and must? Yes. Should you obey your parents? I will write. Should you obey your parents? In the day-to-day life, we talk with others. We say, are you obeying your parents? And Are you speaking English? Okay, but we can make actions very politely using this necessity categorize should and must words. Okay, see, important word is should. Should you obey your parents? And are you speaking English? Should you obey your parents? Okay, we can make the actions very politely. This section is very polite action. Okay. Now I think you can get knowledge about these three categorized and modal verbs. Okay. There are three categorized. What are they? Yes, possibility, ability, and necessity. And we can make actions using these three categorized very politely. Okay. Okay, I think now you can get knowledge about modal verbs, and see you in the next chapter, and see you again. Goodbye.